If you have been looking into light therapy, you are going to want to consider this light box. I am so excited to share this with you today. When you receive this box, it will come with all kinds of stuff. One, it has a detailed user manual explaining how to safely use this, but you also have a way to mount this on your wall if you didn't want to use the tabletop feature. So everything that you need to mount it or hang it is included. On top of that, it comes with a built-in metal easel, which is definitely nice and stable. And then this is where you would mount on the back. You have the power button and your electric plug that goes right in here. I really like the portability of the easel, and what's great is you can raise it or lower it depending on the height that you want just by adjusting that back. When you get it, you'll turn it on and you'll notice it has all of the details right here, but you are also given a remote, which is awesome. The battery is not included in this, so you'll want to make sure you grab a battery, and then you can pair it very easily by just holding down the mode button on both devices. What's great about this is you can turn it on and off and adjust the modes just by using the remote, as well as the length of time. The other thing that it comes with is it comes with these safety goggles, which are very, very important to use, and these are adjustable. These will completely black out that light just to make sure your eyes are nice and safe. There are so many benefits to this light: acne treatment, skin clarity, anti-inflammatory, mood enhancement, circadian rhythm regulation, cellular energy, collagen production, skin rejuvenation, anti-redness, wound healing, relaxation, anti-aging, and more. Light therapy has been scientifically proven to help with so many conditions. When you choose to use this, you really want to decide, do you want which blue light and yellow light, or a combination? And what you'll want to do is you'll want to put on your safety goggles, and you can actually set the timer and the mode. So if I wanted to go with just blue light, I could do the blue light therapy, and then I could switch to yellow, or I have a combination of both. So you could just sit back, listen to an audiobook on tape, and reap all of the benefits of the light therapy. The yellow light therapy uses 3 clinically proven wavelengths: 450 nm, 480, and 590 nm yellow to address specific skin concerns. The 450, 480 will soothe inflammation and improve skin clarity, and each LED has a 60-degree beam angle. The 590 yellow light promotes collagen production and skin rejuvenation. On this device, you're going to see 60 dual chip high-performing LED lights. This is great to start your morning off, maybe with a morning coffee, or listening to an audiobook, or maybe your morning yoga or meditation. If you have a child or family member that's battling acne, this blue light is so amazing at killing that bacteria that causes acne. If you're interested in light therapy and all of the scientifically backed benefits of using it, you really should consider this unit. It is safe, convenient, easy to use, and I love the benefits of the remote, because then you have your eyewear on before you even turn it on, so you know you're nice and safe. The different wavelengths that this can use to help your skin with, whether it's eczema, psoriasis, acne, rosacea. I mean, there's so many benefits to this, and it can help calm you. You can use this for all kinds of light therapy, particularly when the days are gray. Light therapy is definitely a benefit to help reduce seasonal affective disorder and other types of seasonal depression. I have been wanting this for so long, and I am so excited to use this. So if you're interested in pursuing light therapy, consider this one. I am so excited to have this as part of my family, and I bet you will too.